Hi, we are going to talk about hair transplantation and the exclusivity of Sriroop Cosmetic Surgery and the 4th generation FUE technique that's done in Sriroop Cosmetic Surgery, Hyderabad. So main thing is what we are seeing is there are many people, many centers coming up talking about hair transplant. But people should be very aware of one thing, that about 85 to 95% centers in Hyderabad and Secunderabad are just fake. So amongst them, the difference between the techniques, what is done is FUE, FUT and 4th generation FUE. So FUE is something that is done with a pen with a punch of 0.8 to 0.9 millimeter. But in 4th generation FUE, the punch is as small as a stencil pencil tip. So we can't find out the plug-in of a hair transplantation, and the thickness is too much, the density is too much. We can call it as a near painless technique, or near very less blood loss technique, or scar-free technique. We don't need to we don't need to feel about a hair transplant as a side effects. In fact, I myself had a hair transplantation in my own center. So the main differences between the hair transplantation done at unethical centers and ethical centers, the biggest difference is the disposable kit, which costs thousands of rupees. So when we don't use a disposable kit, what happens? HIV, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, sexually transmitted diseases, even a dengue or even a corona virus can transfer from one person to one person. So coming to the causes of hair fall, between men and women there are different causes. Common causes: thyroid, different viral fevers, different causes of dieting, or even using of cancer drugs, or too much of antibiotics, or certain vitamin deficiencies, which are very common right now. Coming to the men exclusively is male pattern baldness. That is nothing but excessive secretion of testosterone, or a male hormone, which is called as dihydroxytestosterone. In fact, even women nowadays are having high testosterone levels, because of which they are developing mush, beard, unwanted hair in the head, hands, legs, in the chest line. So the main thing that we need to do is we need to find out the causes of the hair fall leading to balding in men. If it is genetical history from a father, from a grandfather, or from 4th generation, we can carry that history to become bald. For that, many people are advertising about something called PRP, that is called platelet-rich plasma treatment, which is not really going to work out for men, because a person who is going to become bald, for him there is a definitive decided zone called temporary zone, which says that it's going to become bald forever at whatever is the time. So when you're trying to do some platelet-rich plasma treatment, or this treatment which is a temporary treatment, you're investing on something that you're requesting that hair to stay with you for a few more days, when it's saying it's going to leave you forever. So the best treatment for it is only hair transplantation. And the 4th generation hair transplantation, you can count on fingers all over India how many surgeons, how many centers does that, and Sriroop is one amongst them.